Hello everybody. Today I continue testing Duino coin mining benchmark on Android devices. In this video I run Duino coin miner with fasthash support. First need to find and install F-Droid Market. Simply find it in Google. First page is his official F-Droid page. Download it. And install it. Next in F-Droid Market find Termux and on Linux apps. Also download them and install. Open on Linux application. Press on button choose. Select Ubuntu. Then press button copy. And then button launch. In Termux paste copied text to console and press enter. It will install Ubuntu Linux on your phone. Run /start ubuntu.sh to run Linux. Next update repositories. Run command apt update. Next install all required software. Run command sudo apt install git python 3 pip python 3 dev. Next clone Duino coin miner from GitHub repository. Run command git clone https://guthub.com/revox here /duino-coin.git. Next go into cloned repository folder. Run command cd Duino coin. Install requests. Run command pip3 install requests. Then run miner by command. Python 3 pc_miner.py. Enter username, intensity, threads, difficulty, donation level, miner starts. We can see that fasthash is loaded. Average hash rate is 11 megahash per second. That is awesome hash rate. Subscribe to channel and you never miss new videos. In future we'll check another hardware. Thank you for your attention.